Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use AliExpress coins to unlock discounts and save on your shoppings. Stick around till the end to learn how to redeem your coins and make most out of them. So let's dive in. The primary way to use your AliExpress coins is to lower product prices. But it is not as simple as just picking an item and checking out. Here's the proper way to do it. So, first things first, open AliExpress, then click on account in the top right corner, and from the drop down menu, choose My Coin, then scroll down to find the products eligible for your coins discount. These are located below your daily login streak rewards. So, choose an item you like and make sure it shows an option to deduct coins from the original price. Then proceed to checkout where the value of your coins will be deducted, almost always at a rate of $0.01 per coin. And here's also a quick tip for you. Check the app regularly for new deals and discounts eligible for coins. Don't let your coins expire. They're like cash in your wallet. That's all for today's video. Leave a comment and let us know if this is helpful. Thanks for watching.